This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. All brick ranch features freshly painted, agreeable gray, refinished hardwood floors, updated baths, open floor plan, bonus room, partial new fence, new two-tiered deck around above-ground pool, and replacement windows. Other recent improvements include HVAC in 2014, roof in 2012, water heater in 2012, and refinished hardwoods in 2020. Entertaining backyard with playset, zipline, and pool. Large shed sold as is. Sought after Grassfield High School. Ready to move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.